Excel $D function. This function converts a fractional dollar price to a decimal dollar price. It is used to convert the fractional notation common in security pricing to standard decimals. The syntax is $D with two parameters, fractional dollar and fraction. The fractional dollar is the number in fractional notation, and fraction is the denominator to use. There are two arguments, both required. Fractional dollar, the number expressed as integer.fraction, and fraction, the denominator integer to use for the fractional part. For example, if securities are priced in sixteenths, the fraction would be 16. Here are two examples. $1 of 1.02 with fraction 16 returns 1.125. That's because the decimal part 2 means 2 sixteenths, and 2 divided by 16 equals 0.125. Similarly, $1 of 1.1 with fraction 32 returns 1.3125, because 10/32 equals 0.3125. The $D function returns 1.125 for our first example. This converts the fractional price of 1 and 2 sixteenths into the decimal value $1.125. Watch out for common errors. A div0 error occurs when the fraction argument is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. A num error occurs when the fraction is negative. Key points to remember. Dollard converts fractional notation used in security pricing to decimal values. Bond markets commonly use 30 seconds for pricing. The inverse function is $FR, which converts decimal prices back to fractional notation. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.